Okay, now it's okay, team. Sorry for the interruption. I'll start the class. Is my screen sharing to everyone? Is my screen sharing to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Venkat.
Okay, so coming to the today's class, let me try to explain the JavaScript, some of the concepts. Okay, after that, let me try to help you for the LWC installations. The people who have an installations, okay, fine. If the people who does not have any installation of LWC, I'll help you for the LWC installations. So I will explain about object or a JSON operations. Object or a JSON operations. Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, first of all, let me try to discuss about object or JSON operations. After that, let me try to continue the other concepts, whatever it may be. Yeah, I think everyone has some familiarity. So I had been created some HTML. After that, I linked this script, JavaScript with HTML. In yesterday class, I had been discussed in previous classes, and also I installed about Go Live server. When I clicked on these particular things immediately, Ramesh, how to open the JavaScript output? How to open the JavaScript output? Ramesh, any idea? How to open the JavaScript output? Kavya,
Hello.
yes, yes.
Uh, by clicking Go Live, sir.
Yes, yes. By clicking on Go Live Service, after that we need to click on Inspect. Okay, then you can able
Inspect.
to see the JavaScript output. Yeah. Okay, let us see let object is equal to. Okay, let me try to create what is Salesforce. Just normal, I'm creating the data. Okay, ACE 24. Okay, date of birth of Salesforce. 23. I'm mentioning some random date 03 1999. Okay, for example, if it's a keys, if you mention keys, okay, then it is used to represent names, age, as well as a DOP. Okay, console.log of object.keys. It is used to represent output as name, age, DOP. Okay, for example, if it's object.keys, just imagine if it's a values. If it's a values, console.log of object.values. It is used to represent Salesforce 24 30 23 03 1999, like that. And for example, like this, we need to. If you want to convert that particular object into, just imagine if you want to convert this particular object into string format. Okay, I want to convert object into string format. I'm using the function which is nothing but json.stringify. When we'll convert the JSON stringify, whenever, like for example, like just imagine like other API system or whatever it may be, they are sending JSON format. Okay, like our Salesforce does not know JSON format or other. For example, we are sending information in a JSON format to other systems. We have Python. Like for example, our Salesforce is sending information to Java. Okay, Java does not know our format. Then we'll convert our information into JSON format. Okay, in the integration steps. So we can use LET just normally for view purpose. I'm saying just JSON dot stringify. Okay, these are the inbuilt functions. We'll convert that particular JSON format into string format. Yeah. Okay, we converted into string format. Again, if you want to convert this particular string format into our own format means JSON format. Console.log of JSON.parse. Okay, we'll use a parse function again to parse that particular string format into JSON data. We converted this JSON data into string format. Fine. Again, if you want to convert that particular string format into, again, if you want to parse, okay, then we can use JSON.parse function. Yeah, we can use JSON.parse. Everyone able to see the output?
Yes.
Okay, JSON.parse. Okay, it is converted into string format. Here it is a keys and it is a values. It does not came converted format. string format, console.log of str. It converted into string format. You can able to see the output. It converted into string format. Again, the string format need to be converted into our own format. Like this. Anyone have any queries on this? Anyone have any queries?
No.
Could you please repeat it about parse?
Parse is nothing but parse is a function like we converted into string format, no, that particular JSON. Again, if you want to convert that particular JSON format into string format into our own format into JSON format. Okay, then we can use parse function.
Okay.
JSON.parse. That's it. Okay, I'm saying again the people who like some other people are newly joined. Okay, the drive will be created for them. Okay, the drive access will be given for them. I think for them the drive access is not been given. Drive access will be given. Yeah, the people who joined newly. Yeah, today they will give you drive access. Okay, let me try to discuss about array methods. Okay, array methods. Okay, there are many methods under LWC. There are many methods under LWC. Okay, there are many methods under LWC. Okay, but there are some other methods. Okay, we can use in further classes. There are like map, filter, for each. Okay, there are different methods under JavaScript, but these are some of the methods. Okay, we can use in the further classes. Okay, let me try to discuss that particular array methods, whatever it may be, it is available. Yeah. Okay, I'm creating some methods 2, 3, 5. Okay, this is the syntax. Just normally, let me try to create a syntax. Let me try to for map. Okay, I'm saying again. So don't panic. Just normally practice once. It's fine. But in LWC, need to practice more number of times. Okay, just I'm mentioning the current item. Current item means the first item inside the array. Okay, actual array. Actual array in terms the array which is available. Okay, then we can write the logic, whatever it is, as per the request, as per the requirement. Okay, current item, index, console.log of. Okay, like I'm mentioning the current item. Okay, I'm using escape, like backticks. Okay, I'm using backticks down for the escape. Current item. Current item means the first item. And also I'm representing the index. Okay, index means 0th value. Okay, and array. Actual array means entire array, whatever it may be, entire array. Actual array means entire array. Okay, I'm mentioning return current item star 2. I'll tell you how the things. Okay, first of all, so it is a 2. Whatever it may be, it is used to print the current item. Okay, index 0th element. Actual array means entire array. Okay, so current item means a 2. It will print. What is 2 star 2? 2 star 2. 2 multiplication to 2, 4. Okay, again. So map means it is easy to iterate. What is the current item? Okay, it is a 3. What is 3 multiplication 2? Current item is 3. 3 multiplication 2. Pankaj. Anyone?
6.
Okay, we are iterating. Again, we are iterating. Okay, 5 multiplication to 10. 7 multiplication to 14. 9 multiplication to 18. 20. Like this, the data will be iterated and printed. You can able to see the output. Yes. Everyone able to see the output. Current item is 2. If you want to print the updated array, you can use console.log of. Yes. Okay, this is the previous array and this is an updated array. Because we are multiplying, just we are iterating the data and we are multiplying it. That's it. Okay, we are iterating the data and we are multiplying each value with 2.
How we are iterating the data? We are not using any loop.
We are not using for each loop. Okay, for each and map act as like a same way. Okay, map is also is used to iterate and also for each also is used to iterate. Here
Okay.
used map. Okay, map function to do this particular the same task. Even we can implement the same task using for each also. Okay, just as a trainer I'm giving multiple ways. This is one of the way. Okay, map to iterate the data.
Okay. Then inside map we are using function method that takes current
Yeah.
method, current item.
Yes.
What is
Yeah.
current
Current
item?
item means this is first value. Okay. Again, when
And
iterated, it takes second value. When it is
okay.
iterated, it takes third value. When it is
And what is
iterated,
the
it takes
index?
fourth value. Hmm?
Index.
Index means the first index. Starting it will take. After that, actual array means entire array. It is a common for each and everything. Even you can able to see. First current item is 2. Index 0. Again, the next time you iterated, current item is 3. Index 1. Like that. It will be incremented.
Okay.
Yeah.
You go to code once.
Hmm?
Please go to code once. Consent console.log current item is this and that. Okay, you are multiplying it to.
Yeah, after
So all of this.
completion of the class, once please check it, Sumit. After
Yes,
completion
yes.
of the class. Yeah, once please revise it. Then you'll get some better idea. Everyone in the class you learn about 30 to 40 percentage. When you see in the output at least 50 percentage. After the class once please revise it. Then you'll get some idea. If you have any queries means, so we have some WhatsApp groups. Raise a question in the WhatsApp group or after the next class. Okay, raise a question related this.
Venkat,
Yes,
it is
please.
mandatory to pass all three parameters?
It's not mandatory. Actual array is not mandatory. Just only for explanation I
Okay,
told. Actual array is not mandatory. Yeah.
okay, okay.
Okay, like for each loop. For each loop is also used for iterated purpose. Okay, like I'm creating some array. Okay, like LED numbers, and also I'm creating const result is equal to. Okay, I'm creating an empty array. Okay, let's see numbers dot for each. Okay, element comma index comma array. Element represent the first value. I'm saying again. Everyone remember. Element represent the first value. Index represent the index 0 0. Array represents entire array. Okay, array represents entire array. Okay, I'm mentioning element. It's first element. Element is equal to element plus 1. So what are the updated value? Okay, so it should be 2. We are adding to result. Result dot push of element. Okay, so we are adding the updated result to this particular result. Console.log of result. Console.log of numbers. Okay, what is the result? Result in terms, it is used to print updated value. Okay, we are adding 2 comma 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, what is the number actual result? 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, we are using a for each loop to iterate the data. Okay, here also index and array is optional values. Either you can represent or not. No worries. Everyone able to understand? First of all, I use it to take the first value. Okay, what is element plus 1? 1 plus 1 2. Okay, it will be added to the result. Again we'll iterate. Okay, it will comes to 2. What is 2 plus 1? 3. Again we are adding to the result. Again we are iterating. What is 3 plus 1? 4. We are adding to the result. Updated value we are printing. Everyone able to understand the code?
Yeah.
Yes. This is the thing. 2 3 4 1 2 3. And another thing is filter. Filter is nothing but, for example, if you have group of numbers, it will accept that particular group of numbers. Okay, like and it filters the data according to the requirement. Okay, according to the requirement. Let array is equal to, just I'm giving some idea on filter. Okay, 2 3 5 18 23 45. 1 minute. Okay, like just I'm creating some array. Okay, array 12. Just I'm creating array. So previously I take the array variable. That's why I'm using array 12. Okay, what are the filtered values I'm storing here? Okay, I'm taking the function. Just I'm taking the current item. Here also only the current item is a required value. And here also only the current item. Index is also not required value. Current item is enough. Here also same. And other things are optional values. I'm retrieving the data. Okay, I'm retrieving the data. Okay, so I'm been retrieving the data which are greater than or equal to 18. Okay, so here which values are greater than or equal to 18? Okay, so 35, 18, 23, 45. So we are filtering the data and we are retrieving the data which are greater than or equal to 18. Okay, I'm using console.log of. Okay, first of all, so let us check the condition. Okay, so the current item is 2. Okay, is 2 greater than or equal to 18?
No.
Ramesh, no. 35 is greater than or equal to 18? Yes. 5 is greater than or equal to 18? No. 18 is greater than 18 is equal to 18? Yes. Matching some condition. 23 greater than or equal to 18? Yes. 45 greater than or equal to 18? Okay, like this. Okay, condition is been matching and updated output will be printed under the screen. Yes. 35, 18, 23, 45. Why 18 is printing? Any idea to anyone? Why 18 is printing under the screen? Any idea to anyone?
Equal to symbol.
Yes, equal to is matching. That's why 18 is printing. Yes. Yes. Anyone have any queries on this? Anyone have any queries on this?
Then, can you explain the second line of the code from feature?
Which one? Huh? You're asking about for each? For each is used to iterate the data. Yes, Carlos. And updated data we are printing under the screen. So we are adding +1 to each and every number. Yeah. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Updated data we are printing.
No, I'm not asking about that one. I'm asking about the last one, the one you just complete.
Okay, like we are filtering the data. Okay, we are filtering. For example, we have
Yeah,
this
can
particular
you
array.
explain the second line? I'm not the second line.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Yeah,
Okay, I'll tell you.
I
Okay,
didn't
like
get that one.
yes, I'll tell you. Our requirement is like we are filtering the data. Okay, so I'm taking the array 12. Okay, so I'm creating some function. I'm taking this particular current item. First of all, current item is true. Okay, so after that return. Okay, so we are current item is 2 now. Just I'm taking that particular value. Okay, from this function. Is 2 greater than or equal to 18? No. Okay, again we are coming to this particular array 12. Again we are coming to 35. Is 35 greater than or equal to 18? Yes. Again, so only to take the values we are using this particular function. You got my point?
Okay, okay, got it. Yeah, yeah.
That's it.
Can you increase the application? It's really small.
Small.
Can you make it bigger? Can you make it full screen?
I think you need to enable. It's a go-to meeting now. You need to enable it, Carlos.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a go-to meeting now. I think you need to enable it some option. I hope so. You joined through mobile phone.
no,
So there
no,
is a
no. I'm
toggle
using
full
my
screen.
laptop.
Are you able to see? Are you able to see the option toggle full screen?
Um,
Enable this particular option.
I don't have that option.
Toggle full
Uh,
screen.
Click on three dots
It's not.
on the
Yeah,
right
I
hand
click
side.
on it, but it's not showing.
I think like this you need to enable it. I hope so.
Yeah, it's not showing on my. Okay, that's fine. You can keep going. Sorry.
Okay, fine. Okay, this is one option. And another thing is promises. What is promises? And promises is a theoretical concepts in LWC. I'll discuss about promises. Okay. In LWC, I'll discuss about a promises. It's like a theoretical concept. I'll discuss the like on practically when I'm discussing LWC, I'll start with promises. Presently, I'm discussing them theoretical. Okay, for example, so here we are handling the logic. We are handling logic. For example, if it's success. Okay, for example, if it's success, okay, it will come to here. For example, if it's error, it will comes to here. Just imagine we are retrieving the data from the Apex class. For example, if the information is available, everything is fine. Okay, the information is available. Okay, then it is it will goes to success. Okay, dot then method. For example, if there is an error, just imagine. Okay, it will go to dot catch method. Yeah, if there is an error means immediately it will go to dot catch method. Yeah, we are retrieving the data from the apex class. If the information is available means then it is go to success. For example, if there is an error, immediately it will go to the catch method. Yes, everyone able to understand this scenario? Everyone able to understand?
Yes,
I'm
Mohan.
explaining something. Yeah, it is some
Yes,
theoretical
I can.
concept. Yeah, it is some like in LWC. I'll make to understand. Just I'll create some apex class. Okay, I'll mention that particular apex class in our component. After that, I'll retrieve. Okay, it is nothing but apex imperative method. It is nothing but apex imperative. Imperative. Okay, like we'll retrieve account records. Just normal I'm mentioning. For example, if the result is there. Okay, we'll represent that particular console.log of result. Just normal I'm mentioning. For example, if the result is there. Just imagine if there is an error. Okay, for example, if there is an error. Okay, it will print console.log of. Okay, but it is easy to print that particular error. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, like in future classes, let me try to give some better idea. Then you'll get some hands-on idea on this particular promises. Okay, promises. Just normal, I'm explaining this. Like, for example, if the information is available, okay, then it is used to print that particular success message. For example, if the information is not available, then it is used to print that particular error, whatever it may be, which we got, either server error, whatever it may be. Okay, it is used to print that particular error under the screen. Yeah. Once please remind this point. Like in LWC, like so we'll explain one by one related to these promises. Yeah. And another point. Okay. Query selector. Okay, so we have two types, query selector and query selector all. Okay, query selector and query selector all. I'll tell you. Whenever if you want to apply the styling from our JavaScript, whenever if you want to apply the styling from our JavaScript, then we can use query selector and query selector all. Okay, whenever if you want to apply the, I'm saying again, whenever if you want to apply the styling from our LWC JavaScript, okay, then we can use query selector and query selector all. Yeah, let us see this. Okay, here I'm saying again, I think previously also told, no need of using any connection. When you are using LWC, no need to connect script type equal to module, whatever it may be, scripted, a source and style. In LWC, automatically it will be connected. Only in HTML and JavaScript, we need to connect it. Again, I'm saying, just I'm creating H1 class equal to ABC. Hello, everyone. And also I'm printing LWC developers. Just normal, and also I'm creating another div tag. Hello, Ohana. Okay, let's see the difference between query selector and query selector all. Okay, so for example, if it's a query selector all, okay, it is used to identify the first div tag. Okay, so only it is used to identify the first div tag. If it's a query selector all, it will retrieve all the div tags and apply the styling. If it's a query selector all, in LWC mostly we'll use query selector all instead of query selector all. Query selector means it will retrieve the first div tag. Okay, and we'll apply the styling. Let us see this query selector. document dot okay, I'm applying some red color. Only it will be applied to the first div tag. Instead of applying to all the div tags, it will be applied to the first div tag. You can able to see the output. Yes. Okay, we are getting yes, not inspect. Everyone able to see the output? I'm getting the output for only, I'm applying output for only the first div tag instead of getting all the div tags. Red color is applied to the first div tag because it is a query selector. Everyone able to see it? Am I
Yes,
audible
Venkat.
to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, for example, in LWC we'll call it this dot template dot query selector. Okay, so in LWC here document dot something whatever it may be. Like this will indicate. If it's a query selector all, okay, if it's a query selector all, how the things?
All,
Yeah, it will
all
be
are
applied to all. Yes. Okay, document dot. Okay, query selector. Okay, if it's all div tags means we need to create some array and we need to store. Okay, all the information into array. Array dot. Okay, we are storing from method. Just we are storing all the elements, whatever the elements we are storing to array. After that, we are storing the array. We will use for each loop to iterate the data and we are updating it. Okay, we are applying some styling. Current item dot style dot color is equal to green. What is the output now? Anyone can you please tell me what is the output? What is the output?
Will
It
convert
will
into
apply
green
color
color.
to green. Yeah, it will apply color to green for each
From red
element.
to
Query
green.
selector all targets all the div tags. Yes. Yes. Everyone able to see the color is been changed to green.
Yes.
Why color
Yes.
has been changed to green? Any reason?
we are
Only for
using.
divs we have
Selector
given
all.
green color.
Yes. Yes. Because it's a query selector all. Okay. Query selector all indicates it represents all the elements. Yeah. Just imagine if you want to apply the color only to, okay, like just imagine this particular div tag, it is placed in the center. Okay, this div tag is placed in the 8th line. Okay, I want to apply the color to only this tag instead of applying to all the tags. How we can represent? Okay, let element is equal to document dot query selector dot abc. Like I'm mentioning, like sol black. Let's see what will be happen. I think it is highlighting all the things.
Venkat console.log of element didn't.
Yeah, yes. Console.log, just it will print on the back end. Let's see. Only to print the data under the back end, that's it. Console.log. Here I'm using element 11. Yes. I think it is in black color. That's why it is. Let me change the color. Let me change the color to blue. Then it is highlighted. Yes, everyone able to see? Everyone able to see? It is indicated in blue color.
So,
Yeah.
This is the thing. Anyone have any queries here? Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries here? Query selector
no.
and query selector. Okay. Let me try to explain about events. Events. Events is nothing but, okay, like in LWC we'll discuss in depth. For example, if we're triggering any action from the HTML, okay, JavaScript will capture that particular data. Okay, JavaScript will capture the data. Okay, just imagine. For example, if we clicked some button, if we clicked some button, okay, from the HTML, if we clicked some button, okay, on click of this particular button, some function need to be called inside the JavaScript. How will call? On click of this particular button. So by using the events makes us an intermediate communication. Events. Okay, for example, if we entered some data under the input box. For example, if we entered some data under the input box. Okay, JavaScript need to take that particular data. How? There are some events. There are some standard events are available. On click, on key up, on change, on hover, like that. Okay, like in LWC, you'll get some more familiarity because in each and every LWC component we'll use these particular events. Yes. Everyone able to understand what I'm teaching? Everyone able to understand?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, fine. Let us discuss in depth about events. Remove the type equal to module. Yeah, only for this query selector and this particular thing only I'm using this particular type equal to module. I'm saying again only under JavaScript. Okay, only in HTML and JavaScript we are using like this. Normally in LWC no need to use type equal to module like that. I'm saying again. Okay, I'm using button. Just click me. When you click me this particular button, immediately when you click this particular button, immediately some function which is been available, okay, inside the JavaScript. Okay, first function will be called, which is been available inside the JavaScript. First function will be called when you click this particular button. Okay, we can use on click. These are the standard functions. In LWC we'll use more. Every LWC component will use. Okay, when you click this particular function, when you click on the submit button, okay, second function will be called. Okay, you can able to see the output. So when I clicked on this, immediately under the inspector, you can able to see everyone able to see. And when I'm clicking this particular function, array is calling. When I clicked on submit, hover is calling. Everyone able to see this?
Yes.
Just I'm indicating. In LWC, we'll use more number of things. Only for your introduction, I told. Only for the introduction purpose, I told. I'm saying again. In LWC, we'll call instead of button, what we'll use? Anyone please tell me? Instead of button. Button will be indicated as lightning hyphen
Lightning button.
button. Lightning hyphen button. Yes. I think normally I discussed in notepad file. I did not discuss about practically in previous like I think when I'm discussing HTML like mostly maybe next day or tomorrow. After that I'll start to convey that particular things also in the classes. Okay, just on click of this. Not on click, I'm mentioning on click on mouse over. Okay, whenever if you hover the mouse, immediately handle mouse over will be called. Okay, handle. Okay, whenever hover me. Hover me is the input text. Okay, whenever if you click at this particular function, immediately handle mouse over will be called. Handle mouse over. Okay, what I'm applying? I'm applying some color. Okay, I'm applying some color. Element dot. Okay, for example, if you hover your mouse, just imagine if you hover your mouse. Okay, if you hover your mouse on this particular text, if you hover your mouse on this particular text, immediately it will be highlighted. It will be highlighted. Okay, background color will be highlighted to light pink. And also inner HTML. Inner HTML will be modified to mouse over. Okay, when you hovered your mouse, okay, when you hovered your mouse, okay, immediately when you hovered your mouse, I'm saying again, okay, like so previously it should be hover me text is there, okay, it will be highlighted to mouse over, okay, and also the background color will be changed to light pink. Background color will be changed to light pink. Everyone able to understand? Everyone able to understand what I'm designing?
Venkat, what is about inner HTML?
Inner HTML means this text will be modified. Hover me text will be modified to mouse over.
Okay.
You can able, yeah. Whenever we see in the output, you'll get some familiarity. You can see, just I'm placing my mouse. See, everyone able to see the inner text is modified to mouse over. Just I placed my mouse again.
Yes.
When at least I placed my mouse, okay, immediately means I'm hovering. Immediately I'm been updating this data. Anyone have any queries on this? Anyone have any queries? Michael, Pavani, Pankaj, Prakash, Vinila. Anyone have any queries? Annapurna, Gaurav, Sumit. Anyone have any queries? Vinay.
Internet.
Okay.
No,
Vinay.
Venkat.
Yes.
Hi, hi, Venkat. So sorry, I
Yeah,
joined.
Vinay. Okay. Like you attended you seen the previous class recordings, Vinay?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Are you able to understand the today's class, Vinay?
Like I just joined, Venkat. So
Okay.
I'll
Okay. Kindly
follow.
please join. Yes, yes. Kindly please join from tomorrow onwards, 7 a.m. Vinay. 7
Yes,
a.m. to
yes.
8 a.m. The classes will be. Yeah.
Sure, sure.
This is one thing. And another concept, a mini concept. mini concept, which is nothing but arrow functions. Mainly, what is the use of arrow functions? Arrow functions is nothing but to reduce the code. Normally, without using arrow functions only, we'll use it. These are the updated, like ES6 version. Like I want to convey that some concepts, but without using arrow functions only, just I'll tell you. For example, if you want to, okay, if you want to perform addition, just imagine if you want to perform addition, how the things will be. Function sum of, okay, just if you want to add two numbers, data 1 comma data 2, like this only will perform now. Okay, I want to add data 1 plus, just I want to add 10 to the particular element, like this only now we will perform. Okay, console.log if you want to print the data 3. Okay, I'm passing the value, I'm passing 20 comma 30. What is the output? What is the output?
16.
Yes,
60.
20 plus 30, just we are passing 20 comma 30 as a parameters here. It will accept that particular parameters 20 plus 30 plus 10. Okay, means 40, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 will be printed on the screen. Okay, just imagine. Okay, just imagine. Okay, like let's reduce this code. Just I'm reducing this code. Okay, console.log of 10 comma 15. Okay, 1 minute team. 1 minute. Okay, this is the thing. So we are passing the parameters 10 comma 15. Okay, like the same output. Here also I'm passing 20 comma 30. Okay, 20 comma 30. It's the same output. What is the output? 20 plus 30 plus 10? 60. The same output will be printed. You can able to see. Everyone able to see the output?
Yes.
Same output, just I reduced my code, that's it. Normally in real time, we'll use this type of architecture only. For understanding purpose, I'm saying this. Yeah. In LWC, we'll not use function. Okay. For example, if we click this particular first function, directly we'll call the first function instead of calling this function before in LWC. Yeah. Like in future classes, you can know about all these particular things. Anyone have any queries on this? Just I reduced my code here. Anyone have any queries on this? Anyone have any queries? Hello.
No, Venkat.
No, yet.
These are these are the mini concepts, okay, which are presented inside the LWC. Not LWC in the JavaScript. Only some concepts are helpful for LWC. So we have set timeout and set interval. In LWC, we'll use set timeout. We'll not use set interval, but I'll explain it. Set timeout means okay, after completion of the time interval. Okay, after completion of the time interval, okay, the output will be printed. For example, if you mention 1000, okay, after completion of the 1000 seconds, the output will be printed. For example, if it's a set interval, in between the time interval, like for example, like we mentioned 1000 milliseconds, in between the 1000 milliseconds, so many times the output will be printed. Okay, after completion of the time interval, the output will be printed. It is nothing but set timeout. Okay, like in between the time interval. Okay, for example, if it's 1000 milliseconds you mentioned, in between the 1000 milliseconds, so many times output will be printed. This is the difference between a set timeout and set time interval. Yeah. Let us explain. Okay, I'm mentioning LET timer ID is equal to window dot set timeout function console.log of hello. I'm printing hello. Okay, after completion of the 1000 milliseconds, only hello will be printed. Okay, after completion of the 1000 milliseconds only, this hello will be printed. I'm saying again. Okay, for example, I'm mentioning instead of timer ID, I'm mentioning interval ID. Window dot set interval. What is set interval? Anyone? Anyone in the class? Console.log of hi.
In between that time.
In between this 1000 milliseconds, okay, in between the 1000 milliseconds, so many times output will be printed. See, because I saved the data previous ago. Okay, let me try to mention as a 5000 and here as a 1000. You can control S. You can able to see. It is not see like hi is printing in between, but this hello is printing after 5000 milliseconds only. Hi is printing in between so many times. In between this 1000 milliseconds, it is used to print so many times. We cannot expect some specified time, but we'll use set timeout only in real time, whatever it may be in LWC. We cannot expect this many times like that. Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries?
No,
It is printing in between this 1000 milliseconds. It is not stopping. Okay, this thing. Okay, and coming to LWC. Okay, like I've been providing some softwares. Please install these particular softwares. Everyone install the Visual Studio Code. Everyone
yes.
install the Visual Studio Code. Okay, VS Code is fine, and install some other things also. Yes, search for Salesforce extension pack. Yeah, everyone able to see it. Salesforce. Even I'll provide the document also. Okay, I created some document. What you need to install, I'll provide it. Everyone able to see the Salesforce extension pack. I'll upload in the drive. Okay, please install this. Please install this. I taken the screenshots and I provided it. No worries. I taken a screenshots. Okay, please install this. Navigate to the left side panel. Search for Salesforce extension and disable and uninstall. Just you need to install. Yeah. And another software. Okay, install it. Extensions. Salesforce CLI. Okay, everyone, please download for Windows x64. Everyone able to see this? sfdx x64.exe.
Yes.
Please install this. Install this, everyone. If your is a Mac, means just you need to click on Mac and install the Mac. Okay, just you need to click on this particular icon, whatever it may be we created. Need to configure. Okay, click on next. Okay, click on install. I'm clicking on cancel because I created previously. That's why I'm clicking on cancel. You need to click on install. Everyone able to see? Click on install. Okay. Click on install, everyone. I'm clicking on cancel because I created it. That's why I'm clicking on cancel. I'll provide it. No worries. I'll provide the options. I created some file. Everyone please configure this particular things. That is the requirement. Before coming to the tomorrow's class, please observe this document. I'll provide this document in your like drive. Salesforce extension pack. You need to install. I mentioned each and everything. Okay. Then what is my next step? Navigate to C drive. Okay. Go to users. Okay. You go to your name, whatever it is available. Administrator or navigate to .vs code. Okay. Mention the same steps. See users .vs code. Everyone able to see? Everyone able to see the
Yes.
options?
Yes.
Good.
Okay. Create some folder here. Maybe some people will get some errors. Don't worry. LWC components batch 29. Okay. Let me try to close this folder. First close all the things. Click on file. Click on open that folder. What are the folder you created? Click on that open folder. Okay. Navigate to C drive. Users.vs code. Click that select folder. It's everyone able to see the folder? Everyone able to see the folder?
Yes, sir.
Wait for some time. Maybe wait for half an hour. Keep an laptop. Just do other work. Okay, it may take some time to connect. Okay, I'll tell you. In tomorrow class, I'll tell you alternative to this particular thing. Also, in tomorrow class, I'll convey because every time connecting like this means it may increases your time. Alternative to this particular option. Also, I'll tell you there is some extension. Tomorrow, I'll tell you. Okay, please do it
Well,
still here. It's fine. Yeah.
we can use the SFDX commands, right, to connect.
Yes. FDX. Yes. Okay, so there is an alternative option LWC extension pack. There is I'll tell you. Okay, Lightning Studio. I'll tell you tomorrow. I hope please do it still here. That's I'm expecting everyone from everyone.